Yo, what's good people? It's Cactus. I'm here with my guy Prod by Jack.
Yo, what's good?
So in this video, my guy Jack's brought the MPC One with him. And for anyone that knows beat making, you'll know how legendary the original MPC is. So we don't have the original right here. He's got that at home, but too heavy to bring with him. I actually made my first beat on it yesterday for Jack's video on his channel, so make sure you check that out. And this one is basically round two. So fresh day, fresh ideas. Let's get into it.
Let's give it a go, man.
Got to remember how to use it, so
if you just press load it, the sample's there, so we can, oh, it's come up on the screen, that looks sick. And then yeah, you just want to zoom in and we can just start isolating the part we want, and then we can chop it up. Such a nice sample. I reckon start from there.
Yeah, a bit less going on.
From the guitar. That's it, yeah. So now we can chop this up. That sounds pretty good. Oh yeah, it's gonna be hard. I'll let you mess with the EQ on this, yeah, go for it.
Alright, so filter, and then edit, and then you change that, don't you?
That's it. I think now we need to get some drums down, don't we?
It's got a bit of vault. Yeah, there's some cool sounds in here. Alright, let's find a snare. So how do I preview them then? Do I just click on
I
one?
think you just, if you scroll down the wheel, it should just play them as you go down. Okay, yeah.
Something like that could be cool.
Yeah. So hit the pad you want it on.
Select that.
And then press load. Yeah. That could be cool.
Yeah.
Ratio.
That one.
Put that on there, yeah. Oh, boom kick's nice. Play that with the snare. Definitely get some of those toms in there as well from last time. They sounded crazy. Yeah.
And if you're feeling these sounds and you want to get them, I'm actually running a site-wide sale where you can get 30% off all my kits with the code Cactus30. So I've left a link to that in the description. Do you reckon now just get a drum loop in?
Yeah, just get a drum loop down. Fuck it. We'll turn that hi-hat down eventually, but... I reckon that on the snare will be hard.
Yeah.
Do you want to put that on? What are you thinking?
It's a bit techy, but I'm thinking like, oh, fuck,
oh.
what have I done?
Just take your finger off, wait. Yeah,
I'm just trying to zoom in.
Nice, there we go.
Yeah, it needs a bit of a mix, doesn't it?
Oh, 100%.
Melodies quiet. Shit. This is way harder than it looks, man. It's like learning a whole new door again. I think I've just selected the wrong sequence or something, I don't know what I've...
Oh yeah, you're on sequence 5, yeah, no, I want to be on sequence 1. I really want to just do that one sound, but it's linking all of them together, I don't know why. Alright, I think we're ready to go then.
Alright, so we've got first beat pretty much done. Took way longer than it should have, but honestly, this is like learning a whole new door. It's like starting FL right over again. But we'll show you what we got.
Play start. Oh my god, look at all that. Oh, that's our song.
Bad, you know. Obviously, usually we get a bit of a better mix, but
yeah,
it's alright.
Yeah, that's the first one.
Alright, so we've pretty much got a boom-bap beat done. Next, we're going to try and cook up a drill beat.
Pray for us. 145 BPM,
Yeah.
straight away.
Drum kits, course, we'll use the Divine Bundle. 30% off right now with code Cactus30.
It's got a whole loop kit in there.
Yeah, there's a loop kit in here.
Oh yeah. Ooh. That one's hard. Love that. That could be cool.
Yeah.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
This one could be nice.
I like this one.
So yeah, I'd say maybe this one. This one's kind of nice as well. This one.
I reckon that one.
The other one.
Goes up.
Okay, let's go hard.
Alright. So let's load some drum sounds anyway. That one. Last sounded cool.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Load that. Go on.
Oh fuck, man! That double snare threw me off.
That's alright. Not bad. Go on then. Fucking hell, that's mental, isn't it? Sick, okay. Wait, what the fuck's this BPM?
Wait.
Ah, I know what to do. I know what to do. What we need to do is copy the intro sequence,
Yeah.
shrink it to 16 bars, replace the sample with the one we've just
okay.
done, and then boom.
Alright.
Cool.
So we just need to copy the kick.
Literally,
And
yeah.
get an 808 in.
Cheese! So you want all these the same length?
Yeah.
Literally just do this, I think.
Ah, okay.
Then that one needs to come over,
Yeah,
doesn't it?
yeah. Oh, that sounds kind of
Yes, all start. So we are done. Do you know, I didn't even show you this yesterday. Do you know what's funny? You can do this thing called XY effects. You can basically do all these mad effects. So
Oh, like as it's playing.
yeah, literally. So like, let's say for example, we wanted to do like a tape stop.
Okay. That's pretty sick.
It's sick for like live events and that. I think that's what it's meant for. Have a go with it. That was hard. So yeah, you could do that when you get really good at MPC. You could do that, and then that's how you would have
As
your
it's
beat.
playing.
Yeah,
Oh,
literally.
you just
and you can record
that
it
for the
in.
arrangement.
Exactly.
That's for the next video.
Part 2.
Alright man, so we've got ourselves a drill beat. Yeah, we'll just play it, see what you think. It's like,
Sounds like a mid, aren't they? They're a bit weird.